All right. Hello, sixth graders. I hope that you guys are having a great week. Today, you guys will be taking a short assessment on Chapter 2. We are going to be using something called Go Formative, and it is a new program that has some cool features that I'm going to show you here. So, as you get your test today, there will be a link in Google Classroom. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks very similar to this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you put your name at the top, and make sure too that this is going to be grade-wise. So if you have those names like Noah or Grace, you're going to want to make sure that you put your last initial so that I know whose test is whose. So there's going to be a couple vocabulary questions. All you had to do is fill in the blank. Then when you get to question 7, there's a few questions dealing with patterns. So you had to find the next 3 terms and write the rule. For question 9, you're going to have to evaluate. Now, if you have a question that says show your work, if you click on that, it'll bring you to like a little whiteboard here. At the very top is your color. The one below it is how thick you want your pen. And then I can solve. So if C is 56, I plug 56 and a minus 7 to solve my answer. Now along the side here too, you do have that eraser that will erase things. Now once you type in your answer, you can hit the blue check mark up in the top corner, and it'll take you back to the other questions. And the work did not show up here because I erased it. But if I go back in and draw a nice lovely picture, you'll see that when you turn in your paper or your test at the end, I will be able to see that work. So I'm just going to erase that. So you'll be solving for each expression. Then we'll have some questions where you are going to be writing the expression for each word phrase. Then you're going to be using the inverse operations to solve, again, showing your work. And then we have a couple problems dealing with the exponents. Now in this questions, there is the little calculator type looking key. That way, then you can put, if you click on this X with the box at the top, then you are able to write your number. So let's say if this was 7, if I hit that button, I can put to the 23rd power. And then once you're done, you would just hit that calculator looking thing again. So for those type of questions, I do have that there so that you can write it the correct way. And then the last 2 problems, you're just going to be solving the equation using the order of operations. If you have any questions, please let me know. The test will be open today, Friday, and Saturday. Starting Monday, the test will come down, so you have the weekend to work on it. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know.